A dump truck loaded with 50 tons of soil ended up tilting on a slope due to the driver's improper handling. The driver was scared stiff because if the truck flipped, the consequences would be unthinkable. A nearby excavator rushed to the rescue, using its bucket to brace the truck bed and prevent an accident while the driver seized the moment to jump out and call for backup. Soon, a large excavator floored it to the scene, kicking up clouds of dust dozens of meters high. Clearly, the operator was tapping into some superpowers again. Upon arrival, one excavator used its bucket to brace the side of the truck, while the other was responsible for clearing out the dirt to lighten the load. Honestly, teamwork is the key to any rescue. But clearing the soil requires extreme caution since one wrong move could flip the truck. However, the operator said it was no big deal. Turns out he's a graduate of the Lanxiang Technical Institute. If this happened back home, I feel like the dump truck driver could just floor the gas and get out himself without wasting money on a rescue. Don't you guys agree? Once most of the dirt was cleared, the driver asked the excavator to brace the truck bed so he could drive it away. He was still terrified of an accident during this part, but luckily, with a stomp on the gas, the truck successfully broke free. This trip was a total loss for the driver, and he likely had to pay out of pocket too. After the rescue, the excavator left with its head held high. Word is the excavator charged $100 United States for this job. Do you all think this operator was a bit of a ripoff?